everyone, Bentley here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And we are going to be testing out this new from Tarte. It is the Foundcealer. Doesn't that sound good? Wait till you hear what it's going to do for us. It says it's a vegan makeup and skincare hybrid. That's an everyday foundation for achieving an ultra comfortable, natural, radiant finish and custom coverage. The coverage is medium, but that's okay. We're going to go with it. Although I do have tons of little red spots because I keep thinking that there's something and they're not. It is for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. So basically everybody. It has an SPF of 20. It has, the ingredients are babassu. I don't know what that is, but it nourishes, moisturizes, and soothes. Sunflower seed, rich in vitamin A and E to help hydrate, regenerate, and condition the skin. I need some regeneration going on here. Hyaluronic acid retains moisture for optimal hydration and a refreshed appearance. It is paraben-free, formaldehyde-free, phthalates-free, mineral oil-free, and triclosan. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't have any of that. It is vegan and cruelty-free and gluten-free. What else do you need to know? Formulated with nourishing babassu, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants, this blendable, customizable formula glides over your full face without cracking, caking, or settling. It helps hydrate and gives the appearance of fuller, healthier looking skin and lets you live your day your way. This formula is non-comedogenic. And it says for medium coverage, which is the fullest coverage you're going to get with it, basically, to use a brush. To use the brush they want you to use for it, but we're going to use our own brush. We're going to use this one. And then I have a sponge here too, but that it says if you use a sponge, it's for light to medium coverage. And if you want just really light, if you want light coverage, sheer light, that's what it was, sheer to light coverage, you put it on like a BB cream, like a tinted moisturizer on your face with your fingers. So, let's get started. I have already primed my face with my Milky Mist and my Tarte base tape. This is the last pre-filming I'm going to do before I go to California tomorrow. But by the time you see this, I should be back from California. So, anyway. Alright, and I think this is so cool. You just go boink and you get a pump. Yay! My color is 16N. Fair, light, neutral. And is it supposed to do that? Fall back down there? Oh, you have to click it one more time. And then I'm just going to pump it on the back of my hand. I got way too much, I'm sure. And then I'm just going to dot it. Yes, I did get way, way too much. Around. And then use my brush to spread it out. Okay, still got too much, but I think that's enough. We'll see. Can always add more, right? See how this radiant finish looks. Of course. Whoa. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with a little bit more since I have it on my hand and put it on some of these spots. Because that's what it said. Go in to where you need to with more on the spots. And that's what I'm going to do. Of course, I'm also going to do it on these red spots. That big one. Yeah, the coverage isn't there very much. I think I'm going to use my sponge instead of just to blend that out. And then I'm going to go in and do my little twisty thing to get it down into the pores and wrinkles and all of those other things. It is very shiny. I will definitely be setting it with powder. All right, I'm going to go in with concealer. It's very shiny. Hopefully it will tone down with powder. I am using my Jeffree Magic Star concealer. I love this stuff. I love this. This is so pretty. Cover up some of these red spots with this. Okay, I'm going to go in with a cream contour. I'm using my Tarte Pro Glow palette, Tartist Pro Glow contour palette, and I'm using the color shade down here. It's the only cream one in here. Now I'm going to go in with my jelly highlighter from Wet n Wild. Take a tiny little bit. It's probably too much. And just dot it right there and then spread it around. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my powder. Because I think it needs it. Looks a little slick. A little too much shine for me. I'm using my Jeffree Magic Star Magic Star powder. Oh, smells like cotton candy. Still. I'm going to take my Sigma F30 powder brush and spread this over the rest of my face. Okay, so far it looks okay. It looks pretty good. It doesn't have a lot of coverage. I can still see all those red spots, but I'm not going to hold that against it. Although it is in the lines a little bit here. That's not good. How's it down here? Seems okay down here. Alright, we'll have to watch it and see. Right now, I don't like that. We'll see. I'm going to go off camera, finish my makeup. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have finished my makeup. This is the look of the day. And so far, if I didn't have these red spots on my head, I think I would probably like this one. No, it's kind of sinking into lines already. It specifically said it didn't settle. But that was a lie. Maybe on the person they put it on. But on me, it is settling into my lines. So, I'm thinking this is going to be a no, but we'll wait and see. Because these lines, all these lines right here, it's settled into. And these two. Anyways, I will come back at the end of the day and let you know if it changed. But at this point, I don't think it's going to change. So, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day. And I have to tell you, we are still working on the Foundcealer from Tarte. I really, really love this package. However, as you can see, I'm looking pretty shiny. So, I also am... I did put some Morphe setting spray on after I finished, because I forgot to when I was on camera. And then I pressed it in with the sponge, the bottom of the sponge, into these ones that it was sunk into. And that really helped. It got it out of the wrinkles. So it's better there. But it's basically kind of just disappeared. It's like it's still shiny, but the coverage is gone. I can see a demarcation line from my concealer, and it's just, yeah, everything is pretty much showing through because it's just gone. So I'm going to have to give it a thumbs down, even though I did work out the wrinkles. So if you really, really want to wear something light, because to me it's a lot like a BB cream. It's with a little bit of a tint. I mean, it's got a good tint, but it really doesn't cover. And what it did cover, it is not covering anymore. It's completely gone off my chin. It's completely gone around my nose. It's gone up here. See all the red spots come through? Like I said, I can see a line of demarcation where my concealer is. I never get that. So, sorry Tarte. I had high hopes for this because, you know, Foundcealer is a foundation and a concealer together, which should be full coverage. I think. At least that's what it sounds like to me with the name. And it isn't. It's very dewy, but it's just kind of breaking up. It's just not looking very good. And this was kind of a short day, really. It looked okay for probably 5 hours. So if you've got an event or something, it might be okay. It's definitely shiny if you like shiny. I don't mind the shine, though. The shine is not the problem. The problem is that it's disappearing from too many places right now. So, anyways, that's the end of this video. It gets a thumbs down. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, share this on all your social media so that our family can grow. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. I will see you in my next video. Mwah!